Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can build a clean and professional portfolio page on Wix even if you are a complete beginner. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the key steps. If you don't have an account on Wix, you can just use the links that are given in the description. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for wix.com. Once you are on Wix, you need to provide your login credentials and login into your account. Now your Wix dashboard will look something like this, where in order to get access to the create new website option, you need to hover over to the top left and click on the my sites option. Over here you will see create new site option, so simply click on it. Now it is going to be asking you whether you want to build your website with the help of an AI or you want to start without a chat. So I'm going to select the second option because this way it will be very easy for you to create your portfolio website. So here you need to select what type of website you want to create. So we want to create a portfolio website, which you need to type over here. Now after typing portfolio, you will see this slider where you will see a bunch of different types of portfolios that you can create, like design portfolio, journalist portfolio. So based on the domain that you are in, for example, if you are in the creative industry, you would want to create a creative portfolio, right? If you are a developer, you would want to create a developer portfolio. So based on the domain that you are in, you can select that particular type of portfolio, but we are going to select portfolio option over here so that we could design it ourselves. Now click on the continue option right next to it. Wait for some time until it is preparing you the dashboard for you. So once the dashboard is available here, you will be able to basically use that particular theme of portfolio page, and you will be able to get access to it by clicking on this top left hand corner of the screen. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.